Kumila isihlava sokungethembani kwele ANC umama Helen Zille veza imfihlo yakhe okanye imfihlo ebiphakathi kwakhe nomnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa. Angiqale ngobingelele ngwamukele le channel eMasweti Media Production okubingelelayo umxolisi mfana kaDlomo. Uma ngabe yaqala ukufika ngicela ukuthi ungenzele isiqiniseko sokuthi uchofa subscribe maqedwe bale video, ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba lonamhlanje. Nganza kwethu khona umoya ongethembani ophakathi kweqembu le-ANC, ukhona umoya ongezwani nokuphambana kwembono phakathi ke kweqembu le-ANC. Uzokhumbula nje emalangeni kade ke ngikuthulela udaba mayelana ke nomnumzane efikile embalula lapho khona ebekade ke ethi ubeka ke uHelen Zille endaweni yakhe, etshela ke uHelen Zille ukuthi ke akanandaba naye futhi ke bona njenge-ANC abanendaba ne-DA. Uma ngabe ke i-DA icabanga ukuthi ke izobadonsa ngamakhala kungcono iphume kule GNU. Kanti ke uzokhumbula ukuthi ke futhi nasemavikini ambalwa nje adlule umnumzane Gwede Mantashe naye wayekade ke khuluma inkulumo efanayo leyo ebhekise kumama Helen Zille. Lolu laka ke luvuka nje kufikele embalula emva kwenkulumo yayikade ke yenziwe umama Helen Zille lapho khona ke bekade ekhuluma ngayo ke le GNU ekhona. Uveze ukuthi ngokomthetho le GNU babekade ke beyihlelile kodwa yayihlelwe ke uyena kanye ke nomnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa. Babekade behlele ukuthi ke bazophatha uhulumeni walapha eMzansi Afrika ngokubambisana bona bobabili kwiliqembu ke le-ANC kanye neqembu le-DA. Kepha ngokubona kwamnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi ke amalunga e-ANC angeke azavume wonke kuba ke kusetshenziswane ne-DA kungonakele lutho nje. Basebethi ke bazoyibiza nge-GNU bezofaka ke kuyona amaqembu nje amancane, amaqembu angekaze banikeze inkinga enkulu. Uthi ke ngokomthetho le GNU ekhona njengamanje ayikho indaba yayo, into ekhona nje i-DA ANC coalition okuyona nto ke eyadina umnumzane efikile embalula. Ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngawakho mangabe usuqedile ungenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe, ya like bese uyakhomenta, siphinde sidibane kwi-video elandelayo.
So from the beginning, Cyril Ramaphosa came up with this notion of a government of national unity, which he thought would be a better way of selling the concept of coalition to his own party. Now, this of course is not a government of national unity, because a government of national unity brings all parties together, which would have had to include the EFF and the MK party, which it did not. But it still gave the president the fig leaf he needed to bring in all sorts of smaller parties to say, I'm not in a coalition with the DA. Now, the truth is that we are actually in a coalition, because a coalition means that if a party withdraws from the coalition, the government falls. Now, none of the other parties, none of the other 9 parties in the coalition